Welcome to TenorShare channel. Today we will talk about the famous game called Mobile Legends Bang Bang. This game have many players in the world and get a top rank just because play very well in the game. If you want to get a top range but can't change the location, today this video will teach you how to fake GPS location on iPhone and Android to get a top range in the game. Fake GPS location on iPhone. First, download and install iAnyGo on your computer. I have put the free download link on the description. Then you will see 4 functions here. And this time we just choose the first function, change location, and click enter. We need to connect the iPhone with an USB cable. Once connected, you will see I'm in New York City now. We can type the place we want to go on the blank. For example, I type Tokyo this time. Once confirmed, we press start to modify. Boom, you can see I'm now in Tokyo. As we all know, the location just can change once time on a week. So remember, choose the best location to change and get the top range. If you want to go back to the actual location, you can restart your iPhone, or you just click right lower corner button to restore the true coordinate. Then your iPhone will restart and get back to the actual location. Fake GPS location on Android. Go to the Google Play Store, find the app called Fake GPS Location. Here I had installed already, so we just open it. Then back to the desktop and find the settings in your mobile phone. Choose location and make sure it's turned on. After that, go back settings and find about phone. Choose software information. Then find the build number, tap it 7 times because you need to open the developer option. Once opened, you will see developer options is here. Press it and then find the selection called Select Mock Location App. Then choose Fake GPS. So open Fake GPS location. Now you will see I'm in New York City. Now we can drag the map and go to the place you want to go. This time I choose Russia. Once confirmed, just tap the green triangle and now you are in Russia. Just go back maps and zoom out. You will see now I'm in Russia. Then go back to Mobile Legends. You will see the location in New York because I have changed the location before, because it just can change once a week. If you want to go back the actual location, just go back Fake GPS location and tap the pause button. It will show Fake GPS provider stopped, and now you're back to your actual location. That's it. Subscribe us if it's helped. Don't forget to share video with your friends. See you in next video.